Alright. So we decided that we were gonna buy a mic for our vlogs. And we got the TAKSTAR SGC 598 recording microphone. This is the one. The microphone fucking costs like 25 bucks on Amazon. This is like the cheapest microphone you could buy. I'm gonna test it out. Right now we're using the mic on the camera, so you can probably hear all the wind noise and everything, and maybe our voice. Oh, we'll plug it in?
Alright, plug it in so they could hear how it sounds.
This is the microphone plugged into the camera right now.
It is a Chinese brand. I know it's gonna work.
They make good stuff. Well, they make all our stuff.
For real? Oh, look at what? Look at.
He's trying to plug? He's trying to smash over there?
Yeah.
Oh, they separated though. That was our mic test for the microphone and the regular microphone. The microphone that we bought, and then the regular onboard mic on the camera.
How hard?
So this was the TAKSTAR SGC 598 microphone, and hopefully we sound better. And we're gonna be vlogging with it the whole time. You have a bigger phone than me. Take a picture of the little setup that we got. There you go. That's our setup for the vlog when we vlog. So that's gonna look good, huh? That looks good?
Yeah.
So if you watch the video, we thank you. And
leave a like and a dab on.
Leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more vlogs and I guess unboxings.
Yep.
Alright. Where? Borders.
Go!
I'm like the one holding everything here. You do it one time.
Can I Blitz hold it?
Blitz, here. Hold it.
What if my examples do?
Hey, what's up, guys? Your boy Blitz. We're right here in fucking San Fernando, motherfuckers. Yeah.
Why are you looking at me like that?
You hear this girl? She's saying that Blitz. Oh. Make sure you go see it because we recommended the night I was recommended.
Yeah, that's a really good show. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna like stay up all night and watch every single show, right?
Yep.
And we'll probably take like a review of each episode. Like, damn, that shit was fucking sick. You see the picture I tagged you in for the sky slide?
Oh, the US Bank thing?
Yeah, did you see it?
On Instagram?
Yeah.
Oh yes.
$8.
Yes, you did.
Are you down?
No. $8?
No?
No.
I will break that shit, dude.
You won't break it, dude. What?
I wouldn't.
What would you do?
I'm heavy.
Have you seen when?
Jimmy Kimmel? Can this look like the US Bank?
Yeah, Guillermo.
Oh, he went on it?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I sent you the video. It was funny.
We gotta go. I'll cry. Hey, Bucks.
I'd cry.
The slide in the sky.
I'm scared of heights though.
Alright, bro.
Again?
You're gonna be on Battlefield 1?
I'm playing.
Let's.
I'm gonna see you.
Someone what? McGregor!